Just because your insurance company says so doesn't make it true. Hey, this is Mendy with My Insurance Claims Expert. So, a homeowner approached us. They owned an Airbnb. There was a drive-by shooting. Over 20 bullets were shot at this house. The bullets penetrated the stucco, penetrated windows, doors, even kitchen cabinets, and caused significant damage, over $70,000. This policy did have a $30,000 vandalism limit. We filed the claim for the homeowner. The insurance company came out and said, well, there's a $30,000 vandalism limit. We're not even going to write an estimate. Here's $30,000. I turned to the desk adjuster and said, excuse me, sir, do you know why the house was shot up? He said, I don't know that. How would I know that? I said, exactly. I'm going to tell you they probably shot the place up to kill a couple of people, not to damage the house. Vandalism definition is willful intent to destroy property. Their intent was probably not to destroy property, it was to kill people. Therefore, the vandalism limit does not apply. We got this claim resolved for over $70,000. So, just because your insurance company says so, don't take their word for it. Trust but verify, as they always say. As always, if you enjoyed this content, please share, comment, like, subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, email them to questions@pantherpa.com. Have a great day.